Hello everyone, my name is Stefia. Welcome to my channel. I do a lot of pour painting. I use a lot of bright and rainbow colors. Today we will be doing a volcano pour, which is a style I haven't seen on YouTube as frequently as the dirty pour. And I've already got my things ready. I've mixed a number of colors, got pretty much everything under the sun. And I've already got a plastic cup with the top cut off. This is going to be used as the volcano. And today we'll be using a vinyl as the canvas. I find it's a really cheap alternative to regular canvases, and they look beautiful. Alright, well on that note, let's get started. You can see here I'm pouring in colors that are sister colors, which means that they are next to each other in the rainbow spectrum, and it ends up just looking a lot cleaner and a lot more appealing when you use the colors that are right next to each other rather than opposite ones that muddy up. Ooh, now colors are starting to emerge. It's going to be a slow process. The slower the better, but here comes the good stuff. Silicone is used to make cells. The bright colors really pop next to the black. I know some people use a torch. I tried using a candle lighter. Doesn't seem like much is really happening, but regardless, it didn't hurt the painting at all. I'm not loving the dark blue. I'm hoping it doesn't muddy it up, but if it was up to me and I could go back, probably would have taken out the dark colors for this one. It's just about time to take the cup off. This part can be really tricky. As you can see, I'm going to smear it, but it's not looking quite right. I think I'm going to do some dirty pours on top just to kind of blend things and make it a little less dark. So cool watching it expand slowly like this. There's one more dirty pour just to brighten it up. Here we go. Alright, well, it kind of worked. I don't like the little strings in it, but I will see what I can do. Wow, all the colors together like that? Mesmerizing. I highly recommend using a rainbow palette when you do this and pouring the colors in a way that's consistent with the rainbow. I do think that using complex colors, colors that are not just straight out of the tube, is very important, but to all their own. Well, this was a lot of fun, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please make sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you, and keep on painting.